strap? What do you got on? What do you got on the back?
It aids me in my resistance efforts.
What is it? Turn around, my man. You're taking that down there to Obama.
Are you gonna water the tree of liberty?
You're gonna water the tree of liberty?
I hope not.
What are we doing here?
What are we doing here?
Yeah.
We're gonna
Go get spank some Obama.
yes, we are, and unleash some truth in some minds. Hopefully.
I can understand having a gun on your side here, but what kind of gun is this?
This is an AR-15.
And what kind of gun do you have down here?
I don't want help from you. I do want.
Oh, I want education, and I'm just going to take it from you.
How about free
I want this road here. I want this, that. I'll just vote and take it from you. Well, eventually in America, people will be able to say no. If the burden of all this thievery gets too thick and you can't make it anymore, if that's what's necessary, that's what's necessary.
What do you think they do in Palestine?
Well, we're not Palestine, thank God.
Not yet.
Palestine.
Not yet.
We did it in the Revolution. What were in the American Revolution? What were they? Well, they weren't. The British weren't stealing money from us for health care. They weren't. I mean,
Yeah, it's not even bad as this.
They weren't taxing us the way they are now back then. And what do? We forcefully kicked them out of our country, and we will forcefully resist people imposing their will on us through the strength of the majority with a vote. Just because you sick the government on people doesn't make it morally okay to steal money from people. Taxation is theft. All taxation. All taxation.
Unless it's voluntary. Well, there is one voluntary tax. It's called the lottery. That's a voluntary tax.
Right.
Well, it's a monopoly too.
Yeah, but it's a voluntary.
Why can't I?
It's voluntary. You can play the lottery. You don't have to. Nobody's forcing you to play the lottery.
Right. Yeah, but it's a monopoly.
Right.
Yeah, that's okay though. But you choose to go into monopoly. Right.
Is it your advocacy that by having guns here, we're probably all safer?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You know, one thing, how often, and you ride a motorcycle, you know, so when you travel and such, you know, I never even noticed. Are you usually armed?
I'm almost always armed. Sometimes, like when I take a shower, I set it down on the sink. But other than that, I'm pretty much armed at all times.
Why?
I think it would be insane not to be dangerous. It's a dangerous world we live in. Police aren't. I can't carry a cop around with me, so.
You know, and that's a good point to be making, but I have to ask you, what's the perception of everyone else? I mean, are they concerned, or do you feel you're in a culture here in Arizona that's just not that big a deal?
I think that even though a lot of people are frightened by it a little bit, I think a lot of people realize this is Arizona, this is like the Wild Wild West, and there's still a lot of that sentiment left, and you know, they get it, they figure it out.
Was the West that wild, or was it more peaceful? People took care of themselves?
Oh, absolutely. It's not what all the movies portray, but.
Were you concerned at all?
I was a little, but you know, it's got to be done.
You're bringing an AR-15 to President Obama coming to speak with a bunch of people on his side. I'm just thinking, you know, big brass ones, man.